Hello everyone. I hope you all are good. I am Swati Sharma, your English teacher, and I welcome you again to the video course of St. Joseph's Academy. Today, we will study English grammar of class 2nd, chapter number 3, kinds of sentences, part 1. Before beginning with the chapter, let us look at what we have read in the previous video. So let us revise. Point number 1. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. For example, the birds are flying. So students, in this sentence, we have started the first word the with the capital letter. Point number 2. Punctuation marks such as full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark must be used at the end of the sentence. So students, now let us look at the examples given below. Example 1. India is my country. Full stop. Second, where is my book? Question mark. Third, what a beautiful flower! Exclamation mark. So, we can see that after completing a sentence, we always put a punctuation mark. Now, let us move further. So students, there are basically 4 kinds of sentences. Assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Now, we will discuss the types of sentences one by one. Students, let us read the sentences given below. First, the boy is eating. Second sentence, it is not a sunny day. So students, on reading these sentences, we can say that they tell us something. The first sentence tells us about the boy, and the second sentence tells us about the day. So, these sentences express a statement to tell a fact. In short, we can say that these sentences tells us a fact. So, such sentences are called assertive sentences. It ends with a full stop. Let us look at the definition of assertive sentences. An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. Now, let us move further. Students, look at the following examples. Example 1. Where do you live? Question mark. Second example. Are you coming? Question mark. Students, these sentences ask a question. So, such sentences are called interrogative sentences. A question or an interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Now let us look at the definition of an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question about someone or something. Next, students, let us look at the sentences given below. Complete your work. Second example, please come here. Students, such sentences are called imperative sentences because they express an order or request. Now, let us look at the examples once again. Complete your work. This sentence expresses an order. So, this is an imperative sentence. Examples number 2. Please come here. This sentence expresses a request. So, this is also an imperative sentence. Now, let us look at the third point. An order or request always ends with a full stop. Now let us look at the definition of imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses an order or request. Next, there are two examples given to us. Number 1, what a tall man! Exclamation mark. Example number 2, how kind you are! Exclamation mark. Students, such sentences are called exclamatory sentences. They express a strong feeling, and a strong feeling or an exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Now let us look at the definition of exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. Next, students, we are done with the chapter. Now, we are going to solve a worksheet. So, we have one question here, match the following. There are two columns given to us, column A and B. Let us read at the statements and solve the following question. First sentence, shut the door. So, this statement shows or expresses an order. So, we will match it with imperative. What a beautiful scene! This expresses our strong feelings. So, we will put an exclamatory sentence. Third, where is your school? This sentence asks a question, so we will match it with interrogative sentence. Question number 4, please help me. This expresses request, so we will match it with imperative sentence. Question number 5, Ram is doing his homework. This statement tells us about Ram, so this is an assertive sentence. So we will match it with assertive. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this session. See you soon in another video. Till then, keep studying and be safe. Thank you.